Welcome back, guys. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting on GBP USD for the day. So to those of you that are new and you've not subscribed, you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So if you take a look at this GBP USD, it is clearly on a downtrend move. Now, to those of you that are willing and interested in trading GBP USD properly, maybe you are a struggling trader, you can't trade GBP USD properly, then we will just be offering this 1 month mentorship. Just 1 month, by the way. Once it is a month, it will be over. So it is just 1 month mentorship where we guide and help you and teach you on how to trade GBP USD properly, what to look out for, what to expect, and how you should go about it on how to trade it. So learn how to trade properly during the mentorship program. You'll find a link in the comment section. So let's back to our GBP USD. We can clearly see that we are on a downtrend. We've literally predicted this movement, right? There was a reason why we predicted this movement. Now, this movement is clear, which is on your daily time frame. So what is the trend? We clearly can see that we are on a downtrend move. That is on GBP USD. Now, this is our low. Here is the lower high. This is also the lower low that we talked about. Here is the lower high. This is the lower low. And guess what? We added the lower high. So our next movement on GBP USD should be another lower low, right? So this is for a swing trader. So I told you guys that swing traders, you can hop in for the sell. That is it. Now, if you take a look at this here, market give us a pattern here, which is on our 4-month frame. We can see that we had multiple rejection on this level, which is our double top. When markets eventually broke this neckline here, it broke this neckline, we had its pullback, it eventually dropped again, give us a low, lower low, lower high here. This is the lower low, lower high. This is the lower low. Now market is currently doing what? Playing a lower high. You can clearly see that this is currently playing a lower high. So once this lower high plays out finish, one thing I would advise you is look for the sell setup, or you can hop in again for the sell on GBP USD. So our forecast on GBP USD is stick to the downside, but be patient and wait for the lower high to play out finish before going for the sell.